Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to delete a floor. So as example, I will create floor in it. Okay, you can draw walls. We create example floor 1 and you can go to the floor level. So if you have this first floor and if you want to add new floor, you can click build, go to floor and then click insert new floor. So I will use drive new first floor plan, click OK. Now you can click OK again. And in here we have the second floor. And this is for the first floor. So if you want to delete the second floor, you can select the second floor. After it, go to build again. And then you can go to floor and then click the delete current floor. So to be show for the notification for deleting the current floor. Click OK to delete. Okay, that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to delete a floor. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.